Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate on Alibaba. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Alibaba website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, if you wish to be an affiliate, then click on the Become a Supplier option. Then click on Start Selling Now. And now you can click on Go to Pricing and you will see the various different options that are available. You can click on the Contact Us button and you will be told that you will be contacted in 3 business days. You can also enter your company name within the company name box and then enter the category of your business. Then click on the Start Now button and you will need to fill up a few forms, including your personal information and residential address as well. And you may also need to provide your national identification cards. After you complete with the registration by using all of these, you will be contacted in your email once you have been qualified. And there you have it. That is how you can apply to become an affiliate on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.